I'm a teenager. I'm young. Young at heart and mind. In this position, I'm carefree. I enjoy doing nothing but drink wine and leisure. I seldom go to school. Nobody cares. Then, continue roaming around, studying at a nearby castle, or else, some play the mirror. These are the reasons. Those are the reasons why people, you branded me delinquent and juvenile delinquent. My parents ignored me. My teachers stared at me. My friends, they neglected me. One night, I asked my mother to teach me how to appreciate the values of human life. Stop bothering me! Can't you see? That's our job section. Come modify my child. Now go! But what a wonderful thing you told me. Child, here's 500 bucks. Go and enjoy yourself. Go and ask your teacher about that question. And in school, I heard nothing but the echo of the voices. These were torturing me. Why waste your time studying? You can't even divide 100 by 5. Go home and plant some sweet potatoes. Are you insane? Eleven five. The herbaceous body of the older teacher. The calming voice of Lady Gaga. That's what you see in me. Here's a young boy. Young boy. United her way and died. United her way to honorable judge, friends, and teachers. This is the game of business.